Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. The Toyota CHR brings a balance of safety and style to the Euro NCAP crash tests. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment stayed stable, offering good knee and femur protection. However, there was marginal chest protection for the driver. In the full-width barrier test, the rear passenger's abdomen showed poor protection due to submarining, a serious concern. Yet, the CHR scored maximum points in both side barrier and side pole impact tests, with excellent protection across critical areas. The CHR is also equipped with a center airbag to prevent occupant collisions during side impacts. The advanced e-call system and post-collision braking add a layer of safety. Would these results influence your purchase decision? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned to our channel for the next crash test results and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.